how to change a drill bit on a DeWALT drill. So all you need to do is best to put it flat down like that if you've never done this before, and this bit here is what controls these sections here. So you don't need to touch this, you need to hold on to this end bit here. This is the chuck. You want to grip the chuck here and then hold onto the drill tightly and turn away from you like that, and that will release the drill bit at the end. And you can see these little nobules here. As we twist it away from us, they will retract and release the drill bit. Now, how do you enter it back? So we can see them there. You want to put the drill bit in and tighten it towards you until you find it grips. So once it's gripped, grab your drill here or here, then twist towards you. There you go. That should be nice and tight, ready for you to use your DeWALT cordless drill. So that's how to change a drill bit on your DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.